Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we demonstrate how to set up the IC-EL-BT-2 Bluetooth humidity and temperature logger for Android. Your data logger will arrive partially charged. For optimum performance, charge it for 24 hours before use until no battery symbol is displayed. Please use the USB cable provided. Before the data logger can be set up, you must install the EasyLog-BT app available on Google Play. The sensor will display a reading, but it will not record until the app is installed and setup is complete. Install the app onto your phone and accept the relevant permissions. Once open, there will be instructions on the screen guiding you through the setup. To start, press the button on the logger to turn the LCD on. The logger will now be ready for connection. The logger should now appear on the device list. If not, press scan. Click on the device name to pair. Enter a pairing password. This will either be 1234 or 000. This can be changed once connected. Simple as that, the logger is now connected. On the main screen, we can now see the temperature. This is matching the logger, the humidity, and calculated dew point, and the note on whether or not the logger is recording data. To start logging, press Control Logger to enter settings and status menu. Click Setup Logger to adjust logging parameters. On this menu, you can adjust the logger name, the sample rate, select the desired rate from the drop-down box, the temperature scale between Celsius and Fahrenheit, temperature alarms, select the checkboxes to turn them on and off, and the drop-down box to select an alarm value. Humidity alarms, select the checkboxes to turn them on and off, and the drop-down box to select a humidity percentage alarm. Bluetooth settings, determine if you'd like to turn on power saving mode or have the Bluetooth always on. LCD settings, this is another power saving method. Choose between power save, always on and cycling. And lastly, select a start time between immediately, button press, or at a future user selected time. Press start. We now see down the bottom, data is recording, and we can see maximum and minimum recorded temperature and humidity, as well as alarm information if there was any set. To view collected information in a graph, return to Control Logger. Then select Stop Logger. Instantly, the information collected is displayed on a graph with a breakdown of collection statistics below. This includes sample number, sample rate, logging period, time and date stamped minimum and maximum temperature and humidity totals, and alarm information. Press the export button at the top of the screen to share your collected information. Remember, the logger is in the stopped position. To restart logging, press Setup Logger and Start. And that's how simple it is to collect temperature and humidity information using the IC-EL-BT-2 Bluetooth humidity and temperature logger for Android. If you would like more information on this logger, speak to an Instrument Choice scientist. Contact details are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.